Hello learner, in this video we are going to understand about what's the difference between evergreen and deciduous forest. As you know that in our world more type of forest is present, but in this video we are only learn about the evergreen and deciduous forest. So some basic differences we understand related to evergreen and deciduous forest. Let's we know. So here first is column related to the basic terms, second is related to the evergreen forest, and third one is related to deciduous forest. So first thing here about the meaning, what the meaning of the evergreen forest, what the meaning of the deciduous forest. So evergreen forest, these are trees that are evergreen throughout the year. It means throughout the year that plant showing green leaves, not shed their leaf. That's why here we say it's a evergreen. Okay, deciduous forest means these are tree that shed off leaves seasonally. It means in a particular season the plants of the deciduous forest shed their leaves. After that, the type of weather. So warmer weather is best for the evergreen forest, and for the deciduous forest both cold and dry weather is required. Here about the soil nutrients. So soil nutrients case, fewer nutrients is present in soils of the evergreen forest, but for the deciduous forest more nutrients are required and it's present in their soil. So here also the soil nutrients is related to the their requirements of the plants. So evergreen forest plants less require soil nutrients, but the deciduous forest is require more type of nutrients through their soil. After that, the next point related to their rainfall. So about the rainfall, we understand about 200 mm per year rainfall occur in evergreen forest. But when we talk about the deciduous forest, so here between 70 to 200 mm per year rainfall is occur and also required. Next one point we understand related to sensitive to. So here the evergreen forest is sensitive to their temperature, but the deciduous forest is sensitive to their rainfall. Next point we understand related to the density of the forest. So the in evergreen forest more number of plants are present, that's why the forest is look like dense, and the deciduous forest is less dense. And you know what, when the dense forest is present in evergreen, then here the sunlight is not reached to the bottom or also in soil, but in the deciduous forest due to less dense forest is present, so sunlight reach to the soil or earth or also the bottom. Okay, next points we understand related to some other facts, like here types of tree. So here some examples of the evergreen forest trees is mahogany, next one is ebony, then rosewood, rubber, conifers and cycads are the most important plants of the evergreen forest. And in the deciduous forest, sandalwood, teak, sal, oak and maples are present as a best tree of deciduous forest. Next one we understand about the growing area. So it's grow on the South Brazil, South China, and as you know that in Brazil Amazon forest is present, and Amazon is a great evergreen forest. Okay, next one the deciduous forest growing area is Central America, Brazil and Asia. Next one here leaves. So here evergreen forests do not shed leaves, and in deciduous forest tend to shed leaves. As we mentioned previously, in a particular season they shed their leaves. Next one here, other name of the evergreen forest is tropical rainforest, and about the monsoon forest is deciduous forest. So in your examination also some question is asking difference between the tropical rainforest and monsoon forest. So it's a totally tropical rainforest also known as evergreen forest, and monsoon forest is also known as deciduous forest. So hopefully my learner you understand these differences very easily with the help of these special points. Thank you.